Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and with the time change, man, I was like really having a hard time getting out to Walgreens for 9 a.m. or 8 a.m. as we should say. But today's video, we have 3 different freebies, including Dove, Vaseline, and Colgate, and 49-cent Kleenex, cheap paper towel. Oh my gosh, it's going to be fantastic. I am going to say that for this top booster, we're going to do it later in the week along with the $40 basket. These deals are more like, rolling some Walgreens cash or register rewards because they are so spectacular. I would say go do these today, and then we'll address a $40 basket probably in tomorrow's video. I know a lot of you love to do monster baskets. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Take a second and like this video. I appreciate you guys. Deal that we're going to address is with the Dove body wash and Dove deodorant. It is on the same promotion, which is buy 2 get back a $4 register reward, which is fantastic. So body wash is $7. Fancy deodorant, this is a new item. It's $8 this week. Original price $13. Vitamin Care deodorant. And as you can see, it's tagged. It's on the same promotion. We have 2 digital coupons. We have a $2 for the body wash and a $4 for the vitamin deodorant. So load both of these. As you can see, I went and did the deal this morning. Over on IBOTTA, you're getting an extra $2 back for the body wash. If yours has verbiage where you can't pair it with coupons, sorry guys. And then Fetch is giving back 3,000 points, which is $3 for the vitamin deodorant. So your basket's going to look something like this: 1 body wash and then 1 vitamin deodorant. The math for this, 1 of each is $15. Subtracting your $6 in digitals, you're going to pay $9. Get back 1 $4 register reward. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $2. Photograph your receipt for $3 back from Fetch, making this essentially free. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And if you can't do the IBOTTA rebate for whatever reason, it's going to be $1 each, which is still a fabulous price point. We have yet another freebie with these $5.99 Vaselines that are on a promotion of buy one, get one 50% off. You're going to grab 2 of them. Please make sure that you grab at least one of these green ones because the Shop Me 'Em rebate is only attaching to that one. So I got a green one and a white one. We have this $2 digital coupon loaded, and over on Shop Me 'Em, there's another one that's attaching to the green scent. Obviously, open up Shop Me 'Em, scan to make sure that everything's attaching. And then IBOTTA has $2 back for each, so that's fantastic. That's an extra $4 back. So 2 of these Vaselines on BOGO 50% off is $8.98. Subtracting that $2.50 digital, you're going to pay $6.48. Photograph your receipt to Shop Me 'Em for $2.50 back. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for another $4 back, making it free. And it is okay to use your Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but who doesn't like a couple, really like free Vaselines? Definitely. Now we're going to grab 1 $4 Colgate brush and 1 $4 Colgate paste. Apologies, no tags. They were not hung in that section. We have a $2 for each product. That's why we need to get a brush and a paste. So we have a $2 for the paste and a $2 for the toothbrush. So this is a very easy deal, guys. 2 of these products at $4 a pop is $8. Subtracting the $4 digitals, you're going to pay $4. Get back a $4 register reward, essentially making it free. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you are doing this deal with no booster. That register reward should print for you. Just want to throw this out there, guys. Like, where are all the register rewards for all the deals that you're doing? This has been ongoing for the last, I think, 3 weeks at my one store that I frequent a lot. The machine is down and they have a ticket to get it fixed. I don't know if they need somebody from Catalina to service it or what the deal is, but all of them are down currently. So what the manager is doing is just awarding Walgreens cash as per the tags and the deals and so on and so forth. I'm very lucky that the staff at this one location is very nice, but that's why I don't have any register rewards. I know a lot of you are having issues with register rewards. Either they don't print or possibly they don't scan. I've been hearing that a lot in the comments, but I'm no stranger to that too, where they are just not printing. And this is at many stores near me. So I don't know if it's out of ink or paper or what the deal is, but I'm facing that as well. Definitely keep a list running, guys, so in case your register rewards are not printing or something's a swing and a miss, you have it on file that, hey, I went shopping and I didn't get the following. Hopefully a nice manager or somebody at your store can help you, or customer service alternatively, or get in touch with Catalina, one of the three. The deal that we're going to look at is with the Garnier Fructis and Whole Blends. If you want to do this deal to the max, like you want to get 2 Fructis and 2 Whole Blends, 2 separate transactions, because the register reward will only print for you once per transaction. So these are the digital coupons that showed up this morning. We have a 3 off of 2 for the Whole Blends, and we have the same coupon for the Fructis, which is a 3 off of 2. So make sure you have both of them loaded. Okay, so here it is. 2 of the Whole Blends for $8. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for the 2, or 50 cents per shampoo or conditioner. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But remember, if you're going to do both the Fructis and the Whole Blends, 2 separate transactions, as you want that register reward to print twice. If you are so lucky to find 2 clearance Tresemes, I would definitely do this deal. As you can see, the clearance tag is below the promotion tag, so I think this should work. I didn't test it out, but this is one. If one of you can test out and let us know in the comments, I'd appreciate it. We have a 5 off 2, and then it's $5 reward when you buy 2 of these shampoos. Is, guys, 2 clearance Tresemme for $11.98. Subtracting your digital coupon, pay $6.98. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $1.98 for the 2, or 99 cents per clearance shampoo or conditioner. If you could line this up and it's tagged with, the 5 back when you buy 2, I mean, go for it. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but what a deal. Now we're just going to look at some really easy deals. You're going to find this little 3-pack of Kleenex in the dollar spot or at the front of the store with all the gum and convenient things you buy at checkout. We have a $1 digital coupon, so it makes it 49 cents, and it's attaching right now. They may pull it at any time, but why not get your 49-cent 3-pack of Kleenex? I mean, it's just a great little thing to pick up. If your store may have the Scott paper towel on clearance for $3.79. We have a $1 digital coupon that showed up this morning, dropping this down to $2.79. So that is a really good stock up price for a 6 count of Scott paper towel. I would definitely make this deal happen. I mean, I would throw in $2 in Walgreens cash and pay 79 cents and call this a very smart deal. The Snuggle dryer sheets, fabric softener, those good items, typically $6.49. They're on sale this week for $3.99. We have a $1.25 digital coupon. I think it was supposed to be a $1 coupon, but I found a $1.25. It drops it down to $2.74 for a product that's just under usually $7. If this is your thing, definitely stock up this week. Now, we also have a promotion on the Walgreens brand bags on a buy one, get 2 for free, which is fantastic. But I'm going to say let's wait. We have a spend 20, get back 7 on Walgreens branded products. So we might have a much better deal tomorrow. I will go through it in store and doing it as a curbside, like the difference between the two. But let's just put pause on this. Also, if you're out and about in the store, definitely walk down that cleaning aisle. Lots of little cleaner items hit 90% off, including these Lieberman replacement pads for mops. And they had a whole bunch of little scrubbers. I mean, if this is the company that you love, a lot of this stuff is very, very cheap. And it's specifically this brand and for cleaning. If you missed it, you might want to check out this video, 5 common errors made at Walgreens. Lots of very pertinent information, even for experienced shoppers. Watch this video. I'll link it right here at the end. As always, thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.